How to add translate to keyboard iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to add translate to your keyboard on your iPhone, then it is important to download the Gboard app from your app store if you do not already have the app. So open App Store and download the Gboard app, and once it is installed, you need to make it your default keyboard. So go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then scroll down and tap on the apps option at the bottom. Further, tap on the default apps option you see there and scroll down again and you will see the option for keyboards. Tap on that and then tap on the add new keyboard option you see there and you will then see the option for Gboard. So tap on the Gboard option, and now that you have added it, tap on the Gboard option again and make sure to toggle on the toggle button for allow full access in order to give full access to the keyboard. Now, whenever you are in any type of chat or text field and you open your keyboard, if you still see the iOS keyboard and not the Gboard, then you can simply tap and hold on the globe icon at the bottom left of the screen to switch to Gboard. And once you have switched to Gboard, you can simply tap on the G logo on the keyboard you see there to open the translate menu. So from there, tap on the translate option you see there and you can now go ahead and type the text that you want to translate. You can also select the language that you want to translate it to and finally tap on the translate option on the keyboard, and with this your text will be instantly translated. So this is how you can add the translate function to your iPhone's keyboard by switching to Gboard. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.